I have had this beauty for the last 4 5 weeks. This is Fossey Audio K7. You guys can see Fossey Audio K7. I thought Fossey Audio might price it at around 200 to $250, but it seems they have priced it exceptionally well at $150 with the Kickstarter. And I believe once the Kickstarter ends, they will price it at max to max $200. For that price, we are getting a lot, to be precise. This one, as a starter, I'll say, has a lot of power. Single ended goes to 600 MW per channel, while the balanced out, okay, the balanced out goes to 2.1 watt per channel. So that's a lot of power, to be precise. If you have power hungry headphones, it will drive them with pleasure without any issues. Now, the cherry on top is this mic input. If you are a gamer and you are an audiophile, you can use this one for gaming and this too for exceptional sound quality, to be precise. If I start talking about build quality, this is all metal. I definitely would have liked a lighter metal, but this definitely helps with the durability and the kind of stuff. The dial too is made out of metal. Both the potentiometers are made out of metal. Now this one, as you guys can see, is used for volume. Press it and you will get the gain levels here. This one is to turn on and UAC settings. I did a basic walkthrough, but let me run you guys down again. This is the input. You can change from Bluetooth, USB to coax out, coax in. Okay, let me run you guys down again. aptX, Bluetooth, PCM out. Okay, USB, Bluetooth, optical. Okay, coax. So these are four inputs. Okay, output is either headphone. This, look at this logo. Okay, this one to be precise, headphone or coax. Okay, this is the Bluetooth antenna, and that's it when it comes to the workaround and build and that kind of stuff. Let me tell you about this dial. Okay, this one is for the tone. Okay, tone plus mic. This one to mute the mic. If you have inserted a mic, this one will mute it and unmute it, to be precise. So what difference does this tone thing does? Okay, it basically says treble and bass. You guys can read, this one is for bass. I have set it on treble -1 and bass +1. Why? You can bypass that. Okay, that tone thing can be bypassed. Okay, you guys can see bypass. It will not apply any of these settings. Okay, for pure sound quality. Now when it comes to its bypass mode, this one is slightly V-shaped, or I can say U-shaped. It has a bit of bass body. Okay, slightly bass body, slightly fuller, meatier, heavier bass, and the treble 2 is a bit more elevated with a bit more finishing energy, slightly bit more sparkle too, while the tonality is slightly metallic, slightly thin. Okay, so that is okay if you are not very critical about your music, or if you are using a very warm sounding IEM or headphone, that is perfectly fine. But if you want to balance it, that is where this tone things comes in. Okay, let me show you why this is not working. I have no idea. Bypass is on. So okay, how naive of me. I have set it on bypass, so the tone button will not work. Okay, I'll switch the bypass off, and here we go. Tone -1 will decrease the treble elevation a bit. Okay, now this is a bit more balanced now. With the bass +1, what they have done is they have given it a bit of warmth, so the tonal balance is now maintained here. It sounds a lot more natural. Okay, you can definitely change and make it warmer. Okay, increase the bass body, it will definitely increase the bass too, mostly mid bass. Okay, I have mentioned it before, I think. It will increase the mid bass more than the sub bass, and having a lot of mid bass is not exactly great. In any case, I'll keep it at +1 for better balance. Yes, it still has a bit of inclination towards the bass, but we want a bit of warmth and a bit more fuller notes to have a better balance. So this one cancels out that extra bit of tightness, extra bit of thinness with the notes, okay, in the mid range. So that is where the tone thing comes in. Now with this setting, this one is fantastic with very good clarity across the spectrum, very well balanced, slightly L-shaped. Okay, the bass is slightly elevated while the mid-range is nicely balanced and the treble is not forward anymore. So this is what the Fosse K7 can do. It has excellent resolution, excellent definition, end-to-end definition to be precise, and the clarity is top notch for just $200. You will be hard pressed to find a more value for money product with all these connectivity features. Okay, you can use it with your mobile phone, you can use it with your laptop, PC, nearly anything. You can use your speakers with it too. So it has a lot on offer for just under $200. 150, 200. Kickstarter is 150. If you are going to wait till it is available on online stores, it will be slightly more expensive, around I think $200. So this is it. This is my review of the Fosse Audio K7. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.